Explain about your collaboration, the FC Mobile.
No, it's really nice collaboration. I think it's really. I played the game FC Mobile as well. It's really fun, and I think it's nice to bring an event like this also in Ramadan. To bring people together and to have a nice event like this. So I'm really happy to join this and to be part of this.
But you like play mobile?
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. Like when I'm traveling or whatever, it's really fun to do this type of game. So yeah, I would encourage everyone to do it as well. So it's good.
Shane, what do you think about your overall rating in the FC Mobile?
In FC Mobile, I think I don't even know my rating like this. But before, I think it was not so high, but it's already good to be in the game. So it's quite fun to see my name there.
May the other
Bisa next game Persija will against Malut.
Yeah.
It's your hometown.
Yeah.
What's your feeling? What's your feeling?
It's a good feeling. I will go there for the first time, and it's gonna be exciting to see. Of course, the most important thing is to play the game and to win. But yeah, it's also fun to see and to go to Maluku as well to see places like this. Yeah.
Do you have learned the culture from Maluku?
Yeah, of course. Like my father is born in Semarang, so I have more like blood from there. But I also have some Maluku blood, and he told me a lot about this and my family as well. So, but it's gonna be exciting to go there. So I'm really looking forward to it.
What has been the most significant difference between Indonesian Super League and the Dutch or Thailand League so far?
What I said, like it's physical. The league, it goes fast. A lot of players are really, it goes up and down, and it's really demanding. But also, I think the quality is good. There's so much good players, and there's no game that it's easy. Like every game is like a fight, it's a challenge, and a lot of good players. The players from Indonesia itself are really good, but also there's a lot of Brazilians. There's a lot of other countries as well that are really good. So the first thing I spoke about with Jordi is he said to me like, "Oh, it's not easy here. It's gonna be challenging, and every game is hard." So and that's fun. I like the challenge.
Okay, last night you played in the first time in the GIS. How was the experience?
Nice, really good. GIS is an amazing stadium. The pitch is not so good, I have to be honest, but the stadium itself is really beautiful and big. So I look forward to play more games in GIS and also in JBK obviously. But yeah, it's really nice in GIS as well.
Okay,
What
do you
we
think
see about Ramadan in Indonesia? No, it's first time in Indonesia playing, and the games are later now, 8:30, so that's different. But I saw them in an interview there as well. Like I see from up close how the players are doing it with the Ramadan and how disciplined they are. And it gives me a lot of like, I learn from this as well, because to be so disciplined, it's such a beautiful month as well. I think it's really good to see for me up close.
okay.
Does it feel for you to finally play and build your career in Indonesia?
No, it's really good feeling because obviously I've been here a lot for the national team, for Timnas, and we always get a lot of love and a lot of support from the fans. And now this is the place to live, and to play for a big team like Persija for me is a proud feeling. And to play, for example, yesterday playing GIS, it's amazing. Playing in JBK, I'm really happy. So, and Jakarta is a good city as well. So I'm really happy.
Oke, Ella boleh diartiin gak Shane ngomong apa? Oke teman-teman, jadi Shane senang banget bisa main di Indonesia, apalagi setelah di tim nasional. Shane juga main di salah satu klub terbesar di Indonesia ya. Ada yang tahu apa? Ya. Nah, jadi semalam juga habis main di GIS ya, di GIS, selain di GBK juga. Shane senang banget bisa ngerasain atmosfernya di GIS gitu. Oke, next question, Rere. Okay, Shane, by the way, your fan really loves you, and they are very happy that you are now in Indonesia and play for one of the biggest club in Indonesia. And also for the women fans, of course, they go crazy, like, oh my god, Shane is now in Indonesia, and you are like, we can't reach you when you are in abroad, right? Yeah. But now you're in Indonesia, and like, oh, Shane is in the same area with me, and we're getting closer to him. But that's intermezzo. So, since you pursue your football career in Europe and also joined Thailand League, and now you play for Indonesian League. Could you tell us what the difference among the leagues?
The league in Indonesia is, first of all, a really good league. It's not an easy league to play. Yeah, I played in Europe, I played now in Thailand before, so let's say in Europe it's more like, tactical and a little bit different. Indonesia is really physical as well. A lot of duels, but I feel like it's not easy because you have a lot of good players, you have a lot of really fast, strong players, and the quality of the Indonesian league is getting much better. So it's not easy at all, for sure.
Oke, jadi teman-teman kata Shane perbedaan main di Liga Eropa dan juga sekarang di Indonesia adalah kalau di Eropa itu lebih banyak taktikal gitu ya, tapi kalau di Indonesia itu lebih ke fisikal. Dan juga kalau kita tahu ya pemain-pemain Indonesia itu larinya kencang-kencang banget, terus bodinya juga ya Shane, jadi you have to be ready for the league if you maybe experience tackling or something.
For sure. But I'm ready for it.
You're ready, okay. And then, okay, we are going to move to next question. So before coming to Indonesia, were you familiar with Ramadan?
Sorry?
Are you familiar with Ramadan?
Yes, yeah, for sure. A lot of friends of me, they are Muslim, and they practice Ramadan, they do Ramadan, and before I even tried to do one day with them, so I'm really familiar with Ramadan.
Okay, but have you tried puasa before? Fasting?
Yeah, I've tried, and I have a lot of respect for everyone that does it because it's not easy for sure.
It's not easy, yeah.
And with the intention of why you do it and everything, it's beautiful, and I think it's a beautiful like celebration, like something you do. So yeah, I have a lot of respect for everybody that does it.
Yeah, the fasting is actually like 12 hours, yeah?
12 hours, yeah.
So it's not easy, especially for athletes like you.
No, it's not easy at all. So what I say, it's I'm always amazed by the discipline and by the way everybody does it. So also here it's really hot,
Yeah.
It's not easy. No.
And you're wearing jacket.
Sorry?
You're wearing jacket.
I'm sweating a lot already, so yeah, it's.
Oke, jadi Shane tadi juga bilang kalau dia sudah familiar atau sudah kenal gitu ya dengan Ramadan sebelumnya karena banyak teman-temannya Shane juga yang Muslim. Jadi Shane nggak begitu kaget dengan Ramadan yang ada di Indonesia, especially. Dan juga Shane pernah nyoba juga ya untuk fasting dan itu tidak mudah ternyata teman-teman. Jadi luar biasa buat teman-teman yang puasanya masih berhasil sampai hari ini, boleh tepuk tangan. Oke, tepuk tangan berarti yang puasa ya Kak. Okay, is there any differences of feeling Ramadan here or outside Indonesia?
Yeah, because here there's more people practicing and they're doing it. But what I said, like the difference, if you talk about the weather, it's like it's harder to not train, especially when you train. Like it's a big difference, I think. But yeah, you're actually now in a country where almost everybody is doing Ramadan, so it's a difference for sure. Yeah.
Oke, jadi perbedaannya apa sih Ramadan kalau di luar Indonesia dan di Indonesia? Menurut Shane, kalau di sini kan lebih banyak orang yang puasa gitu ya, karena mayoritas kita negara Muslim di sini. Jadi praktis puasa itu umum gitu ya di sini, dan juga secara suasana itu kayak lebih kerasa gitu. But are there any differences in practices or maybe matches in Ramadan?
Yeah, the games are later, so that's also a difference. But we play 9:30, at 8:30 we play the games.
Yeah.
For me personally, it's hard to say because I'm not actively doing Ramadan. So, but I think it's harder because you have less, less food that you can have and more less energy maybe. But maybe also because it's such a holy month and a good month, maybe it gives you maybe more energy. I don't like, depends how it feels. I speak to a lot of players about this, and some players say like it gives me more energy because it's a holy month and it gives me like, you know what I mean? And some players also say like, yeah, it's also can be hard as well because it's so much you have to train and then you get tired, so yeah.
Oke, tadi aku sempat nanya apakah ada perbedaan gitu ya ketika latihan ataupun pertandingan saat puasa dan tidak puasa. Jadi kalau menurut Shane ada perbedaannya itu kalau match pasti agak malam ya setelah taraweh jam 8:30. Tapi kalau training dia juga tanya ke teman-temannya yang puasa, katanya memang lebih berat, tapi ada energi lain nih yang ternyata bisa menjadi dorongan gitu ya, yaitu karena bulan Ramadan itu adalah bulan yang suci, jadi itu jadi motivasi untuk teman-teman yang berpuasa. It's a nice perspective ya from Shane Patinama, luar biasa.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.